Hello everyone, my name is Catherine and I am going to be doing another wood block string art today. I have already written the word sunshine on a bit of paper and I'm going to start by just gluing that down, and then once I've done that I'm going to put nails into this board in 2 circles, hopefully sort of evenly spaced apart, so that I can then make it look like a sun, because this word says sunshine. Go. Alright, that should be enough glue. I found out last time that this is more challenging than I had originally thought as a thing to do. Not the putting the nails in themselves, that's just hammering nails, but the wrapping the string around it part. You've got to keep tension on the string and wrap it around the next peg at the same time, which is weirdly challenging. But there we go, we've got our word glued down. So now we are ready to start with the nails. I'm going to speed this up so you guys can see the whole process, and then I will check back in with you when I'm finished. Alright, that's it. So, things that I have learned that you probably already knew. The direction that you wrap the string in matters. When I tried going around the inner circle for the first time with the orange, I was going back and forth and it was ending up wonky and not circular at all, and I'm like, why is this? It's important to always wrap it in the same direction around each of the nails. But that's how it turned out. Let me know what you think. I am always happy to hear from you, and I would be glad to know your opinion on this project. And oh, yes, remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!